Have you ever been haunted by the ticking of the clock, the relentless march of time, and the weight of decisions made or not made? It's a feeling we all know too well, the phantom sensation of the minutes slipping through our fingers, the hours fading into days, and years vanishing into the ether of the past. We're often left standing in the wake of time's unyielding procession, holding on to a gathering of decisions, choices we've made, or perhaps ones we've failed to make. Regret can be a heavy burden, a constant reminder of the paths not taken, opportunities missed, and years that might feel lost. Time, indifferent to our plight, waits for no one. It propels us forward, often leaving us questioning how we've spent our days, our years. Yet, within this introspection, there's a glimmering seed of hope. But what if I told you that every moment of regret can pave the way for a new beginning? The first sign that the universe is guiding you towards restoration is the healing of your deepest wounds. This healing isn't a swift process, but a gradual transformation that softens the stinging pain of past scars. It's like the gentle touch of a breeze on a warm day, subtle but soothing. Imagine your past hurts being slowly enveloped in a comforting light, the sharp edges of pain becoming less defined, less intrusive. This transformation allows the emergence of hope, a glimmer of joy that was once overshadowed by regret. It's a flicker that can grow into a blazing fire of positivity if nurtured with patience and understanding. This healing journey doesn't erase history, but it changes the narrative. It shifts the focus from what was lost to what can be gained, from the pain endured to the strength acquired. It's a process of taking back control, of reclaiming your joy and your peace. This healing is the universe's way of preparing you for what's to come. As you begin to heal, you'll notice the second and third signs, the arrival of surprises and a shift in perspective. Surprises in this context represent an influx of abundance. This abundance isn't confined to material or financial gains, but extends to every aspect of your life. This could manifest as newfound friendships, opportunities, or even the simple joy of discovering a new hobby. It is a reflection of the universe's boundless generosity, a reminder that grace is not a scarce resource, but an infinite wellspring. Then there's a shift in perspective, an internal compass that steers you towards kindness and compassion. You'll find yourself naturally inclined to extend empathy, understanding, and love to others. This isn't a forced change, but a gentle evolution, a blooming of the heart that occurs when you've begun to heal. These signs show that the universe is aligning your life towards a path of restoration. The fourth and fifth signs are the increase in inner strength and the rise of inner tranquility. Imagine a flame that endures the harshest winds, never flickering, never diminishing. That's the kind of inner strength the universe cultivates within us. This strength isn't about brute force or rigidity, it's about resilience. It's about facing challenges with courage, about daring to rediscover the true purpose of our lives. It's a strength that ebbs and flows, morphs and adapts, always rising to meet whatever comes our way. Now picture a serene lake, untouched by the storm that rages around it. That's inner tranquility. It's an unshakable calm that arises within, regardless of the chaos and turbulence that life may throw at us. It's the universe's way of balancing us, of gifting us peace amidst the tumult. These harmonious elements, strength and tranquility, they don't merely coexist. They interweave, creating a resilient, peaceful core. These signs are the universe's way of fostering resilience and peace within you. The sixth and seventh signs are the illumination of your personal path and your spiritual awakening. As the universe gently guides you, desires and decisions begin to naturally align with a grander plan. This alignment is not a mere coincidence. It is an orchestrated dance, a harmonious symphony composed by the universe itself. Each note, each beat is a step towards a profound sense of happiness and completeness. Following this path of illumination, you may find yourself on the threshold of spiritual awakening. This is no ordinary awakening. It's a deep, soulful search for a connection that transcends the physical realm. It's a quest for a richer understanding of life's purpose, beyond the mundane and the superficial. It's a journey into the depths of your being, where you discover the radiant light of your spirit and the boundless universe within. These signs are the universe's way of guiding you towards your true purpose and a deeper connection with the world around you. These 7 signs are not just mere coincidences, they are guideposts on your journey towards restoration. This journey is not a random walk, but a guided path marked by these signs, each offering a beacon of hope and promise. Let us take a moment to recap. First, the healing of the deepest wounds, a gentle transformation of past pain into softer sensations, opening the door to moments of hope and joy. This, dear friends, is the beginning of your healing journey. Next, the arrival of surprises and abundance. Not just the material kind, but in every aspect of life. This is the universe's generosity at play, indicating that you are on the right path, and indeed, restoration is within your reach. Then, there's a shift in perspective, a change in how you view the world around you and your place within it. You'll find yourself naturally inclining towards kindness and compassion, a clear sign that you are moving towards a state of wholeness. The 4th sign is the growth of your inner strength and resilience. With this newfound courage, you confront the challenges that once seemed insurmountable, and in the process, rediscover the true purpose of your life. 5th, inner tranquility begins to arise regardless of the external turbulence around you. This is the universe's way of providing you peace and inner balance, a testament to your journey's progression. The 6th sign is the illumination of your personal path. You will find your desires and decisions aligning effortlessly with the universe's plan, providing a sense of happiness and completeness. Finally, the spiritual awakening. A deeper search for spiritual connection and a richer understanding of life's purpose. This is the universe's way of telling you that you are nearing the end of your restoration journey. As you journey through these signs, remember to spread love, leave a positive message, and cherish each blessed day as a step towards your new beginning.